I think today my key message is the importance of infrastructure in unlocking industrial development opportunities. I'm from the IDC, so it's important for me to relay the message of what role do we play as IDC in unlocking those opportunities. We have played a significant role in the Renewable Energy Independent Power Producer Program, and we believe that foundation has been set. And I think as a country, we just need to capitalize on similar frameworks in other forms of infrastructure. I think as a country, we're not unique if you compare us to other developing countries, even the developed countries. We are facing serious headwinds. There's subdued economic conditions, which obviously has been brought about many factors, where we've seen still the effects of the global economic downturn. However, I firmly believe this is perhaps the right time for us to invest, especially in infrastructure. When the economic growth turns around, we are ready. The IDC believes in counter-cyclical investment, and as a result, we feel this is the best time for us to get into the investments. We are aware that our sovereign risk is facing significant challenges with the December review of the risk grading of the country. But I think South Africa has strong legislations, has strong financial markets, and those should be the cornerstone of us moving forward. You cannot take away the perception of the political risks that the country is facing, but I think there's not too much to worry about. I believe that the Minister earlier on of Finance also indicated that the country is not facing a recession. It's not going to be downgraded. So there's a lot of positive that's coming from the political departments themselves. We are government owned, so we have a positive outlook. We do acknowledge that we are facing downturn. We're at the bottom of the curve. However, we think the future is looking much brighter, but it needs a collaborative approach between private and public sector. So yes, we are having challenges, but I think there's opportunities in those challenges. I think a lot of investments have to be made in different spheres of sectors. The fundamental one on our side is infrastructure, because it forms the basis of economic growth. We have to invest in skills, very important. It's one of the factors that's dragging the country behind. But I believe, again, everybody that has an interest in ensuring that the country does turn around should be rallying around to address those challenges. And I think we have to, some of the policies we have in place, we have to execute them. It's nice to have the policies, but if we fail or we slow in executing them, it does also bring some level of anxiety in terms of investors wanting to come to the country and invest.